Introduction to the power of a power rule of exponents. What you have here is x squared to the third power. What that really means is that you have x squared times itself 3 times. If we break that down further, we have x times x times x times x times x times x. So my answer is x to the 6th. The rule states that every time you write this out, what you ultimately get is the product of these two numbers. So a shortcut would be just to multiply them.